All right, guys, happy Wednesday. Hopefully I can maneuver the paper a little better this time. So here are my hints for worksheet 4. This one's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to give you a few tools here to make this easier. The period on this one, it tells you, is 365 days. You need to remember that June 21st is day 172. I sure wish I had a stylus. My thumb or my finger is huge here. December 21st is day 355. When you are making your... Oh, this is weird. This is not how my worksheet 4 looks like. Interesting. Oh yeah, it does, but that picture is supposed to be on the back. Well, anyways, I'm going to continue. 4:30 a.m., which you're going to put on your y-axis, is actually going to be graphed as 4.5. And 7:45 a.m. will be graphed as 7.75. When you graph it, the days goes on your x-axis up to 365. I would not count by ones. I would just plot them on there. And your time of day goes on the y-axis, and you're just going to plot it like, I'm just going to show you here. Roughly, I would just go 4.5 and then 7.75. Let's see what else I was going to tell you here. The graph is going to have to go into the negative x-axis a little bit. What else? I'm going to move it up a little bit. You're going to write the equation, and that will be it for this one here, because I'm not there to give you any more information. So you're going to cross out 3, you're going to cross out 4, and you're going to cross out 5. So for this problem, you're just going to draw the graph, you're going to write your equation, and you're going to be done. All right, then we're going to move on to number 2. Now, unfortunately, the graph for number 2 is on the front. Couple important things to remember or to see on this one is that your period, if you look, it was negative 200 on the left that was your minimum, to your maximum 400, which is on your positive x-axis. That was 600. I'm going to try and just sketch it here for you since it's on the, you can't see it. Whoops. Excuse me, I don't know if you saw that, but that just popped up here. Let's see. Kind of making a mess here. So it looks something like this. The graph went we had a minimum here and then a maximum here. This distance from here to here, recall, if you look at it, was only 600. That is only half of your period, so be very careful with that. You need to have your full period on your cosine graph. So with this problem, you are going to have your graph drawn for you, so that's nice, and you just need to write your equation for part A, and then part B we will talk about later when I get back. So that should be pretty straightforward for you. All right, that's it for this one.